took precious time to visit our institution in spite of your.
Ha, meni Khuday, meni koyr os padnuk lekhnuk sak shu.
Colleges. They offer degrees but without a job. We offer diplomas but with a job. If we offer 1-year courses with a job, and not only a job, we make them entrepreneurs. Some of successful of them, they come here. One of them, she's a junior engineer.